Hi dear students, let's see this question that came from the topic of errors in JEE Advanced 2021. This question was from the topic of errors, one of the straightforward questions. I think most of the students would have done this comfortably. Uh, the question had a standard data. So in this you were shown a main scale. This left diagram was to show you the zero error. Let's first see the data as well. The main scale, the smallest division on the main scale was 0.1 centimeters. That means 1 mm. 9 main scale divisions coincided with 10 vernier scale divisions. So you can see that it's a standard data. Uh, the left diagram is shown to find the zero error. Now this have now a sphere has been like the diameter of the sphere is measured using this vernier caliper, and we have to find the diameter. So let's do some standard calculations. So as you can see, one main scale division is nothing but 0.1 centimeter as given in the question. So that will become 1 mm, right? Now it's given that 9 main scale divisions coincide with 10 vernier scale divisions. So basically this will become 10 VSD will be equals to 9 MSD. So which will mean one vernier scale division is nothing but 0.9 mm. Least count, we define main scale reading via main scale division minus vernier scale division. So this will become 0.1 mm, right? Now if you see over here, it's clear that the zero of the vernier scale is behind the zero of the main scale, hence it's a negative zero error. And if you see carefully, then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth reading of the vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale. So in the case of negative zero error, we count from behind. So basically we will take first, second, third, fourth, 10 minus 6 basically. So we'll say that fourth reading, we'll take the fourth reading. Okay, so basically we will say that zero error will be fourth into 4 into least count and with a negative sign because it's a negative zero error. So this will become minus 0.4 mm, correct? Now if you go back to the, so this is zero error. Let me write this properly, zero error, right? Now if you go back to the reading, so basically between 0 to 1 you can see there are 10 divisions on the main scale, right? So like this is the 31st mark because between 0 to 3 on the main scale there would have been 30 divisions, okay, and this is the 31st division. So 0 of the vernier scale is lying just ahead of the 31st division of the main scale. So reading on the main scale will become 31, okay, and you can see the first reading of the vernier scale coincides with the main scale, right? So reading will become 31 main scale divisions plus 1 into least count, right? Because first reading of the vernier scale coincides with the main scale. So 1 into least count, and in this we will have to subtract the zero error, right? So minus of minus 0.4 mm. So now just we can say that 31 into main scale division was 1 mm. So I'm just calculating the values in mm and then we will convert that into centimeters. Least count is 0.1 mm and this will become plus 0.4 mm. So you can see that this becomes 31.5 mm and hence this becomes 3.15 centimeters. So according to us, the option C will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you would have understood the solution, and you can see that this is a very standard question which I think all the students are taught in India. That's it. Thank you.